Hey there, real estate photographers, realtors, homeowners. Do you have an empty house? I've got a solution for you. Not only will we make the house look more visually appealing, but make it more interesting for buyers so you can sell that house faster. Let me show you this amazing new product. I am so blown away by this, and you will be too. It's called Virtual Staging AI.app. That is the website. It's not an app. It is a website. That is just the URL to get to it. Let's dive right into the website. Virtual Staging AI. Here it is. I'm not logged in. I'm not doing anything special. Upload an image for free. No sign up, no credit card. Love that. They don't want to take your information. They just want to impress you. So what can you do for free? You can remove furniture for free. You can do bedrooms or living rooms. Pick any of their styles. Let's try this out. Let's upload an image. This is a recent brand new house I shot, and I knew I was going to do this, so I intentionally shot the photos for virtual staging. So let's see how quick this goes. So remember, we are uploading that image. It's a full resolution image. They're probably measuring it so they can know how to fit everything in there and virtually stage it. And just like that, how long was that? Under a minute, at least under a minute. Like, I cannot believe it. You go from this, and the first thing that comes out actually looks pretty darn good. As a photographer, you got the leading lines going in, you got the centered TV, the centered actual furniture. Love it. They give you 3 options. Don't like that one? Pick the next one. Right away, I don't like this coat. It feels like it's floating in the middle of nowhere. 2 TVs, 2 consoles. Well, that's interesting. I don't know what you're thinking, Mr. AI. First one. Definitely. First one. Impressive. So what else do we have? Bedroom. Try another photo. So we're on the free account, and let's find a bedroom shot. Here's a bedroom. Make sure we pick bedroom, standard, process photo. Again, let's see how fast this is. Bam, it's uploading, doing its magic and waving its magic wizardly wand to give you results quick. I don't have to do anything more than upload a photo and pick what I like. And look at that. That is the primary master bedroom. You got a beautiful bed, beautifully centered on this wall. Plant, for me, is perfect because it leaves the room nice and big and fills the frame. As a photographer, love it. Next one. How did we change? Change the color, more blues. And the next one. 3 great options. I don't see anything wrong with any of them. Again, you get to see what you can do for free. You can change your style. Let's try Scandinavian, create more. So this will give you an idea, basically, of what the power of it can do. So you love it. What the paying for it? Remove the watermark. So it'll remove this watermark in the middle. High resolution downloads. All furniture room types and styles, furniture removal included. So how this works, let's look at the image first, and then we'll dive into how it all works. Another great set of images. I can't see anything wrong. Well, 2 TVs. Skip that one, but really good choices. So how does this work? We're looking at free is doing an amazing job. Within a minute, I have something done. Like, I didn't have to do much then. Upload, pick the one I like, and that's what I'm delivering to my client. So looks great. Let's look at pricing real quick. So you can see basic plan, it depends on who you really are, how many photos you're going to generate a month. I'm a real estate photographer, and I think this product is amazing. And you have to remember you're delivering per image, not per room. So each room you might shoot 2, 3 shots. So if you stage each one, it's per photo. So if you use this, 60 photos goes quick. So depends where you are. If you're a realtor, maybe the standard one's good enough for you. You only do 1 or 2 empty houses a month. Perfect. I think it's a great value. And if you love it too, test it out. And I have a link below. That is my affiliate link. I get paid for referring this product to you and I get a bit of kickback and it helps pay for this channel. All right, we've seen what we could do for free. I have logged into my account. So what's different? I get to see what I've got here. Right on the main page, you can add folders. So I highly recommend folder for each address you were doing. And you can see here, I did living room and different rooms. But you look at this, isn't that kind of hard to look at? When you look at these photos, how do you know which room you're at? It's the same flooring, same color scheme. Tough for the buyer if you're just looking at plain old photos. Let's start at that living room we did. This is the results I got the first time. So it'll tell you up here, living room, standard style. So looks great right off the bat. Like, I am super impressed. I can deliver a few of these images. I think I switched it here. This is mid-century. We're getting kind of dark. Not as pleasing, but some people love it. This is Scandinavian. Love the different change up. You got couch, bookshelf, a little different. I love this for seating area. And as a photographer, it's visually appealing. There's leading lines going to the TV and you see the whole room. Another great selection here too. TV on the other wall. All right, now let's go to another room. We looked at the main living room. Let's dive into the kitchen. So I took one of the photos, if I can just find it. Here it is, the kitchen. So you can see on the top left, that's how I shot it. Dining room's to the right. I picked dining room, standard style is the first one. And this is how AI interpreted it. I love where it placed that table. This table, So this one took a few tries. Table, way too close for me. I know there's a wall right here and a door. Doesn't work. Table in front again. Table in front again. Oh, here we go. Table in the right spot. We got chairs in front of the island. The colors look great. I love the pops of yellow and wood tones. And you got darks. This really makes it look like a rich, beautiful kitchen. I love it. Let's dive into the dining room. That was my next area I went into. And let's find that shot right here. So dining room. So I went from this empty shot and this one right away, these chairs, the table, it just doesn't look right. Something's wrong. Scale, this, much better. So something I've noticed doing this, you gotta watch because it's gonna stage other rooms that it sees and it's gonna use dining room. Not bad, it just looks like a chair sitting on the deck. So not super critical. What else do you notice? Table, nicely centered in the light. Love it. You got drapes on the wall. Great job. Next one. Oh, I love the way this is. Nice small table. It makes that dining room look big. Gives you an idea of what you can fit in there. Love it. Hits the spot. So next we'll go upstairs. There's a family room up there. You come right here, so you don't want to block this area. So this one right off the bat looks great. Nice little area. You can sit with your family. What's the next one? Bam, holy. We got some dark wood in that room, but it looks nice and rich and you can sit and watch TV. Oh, this one I love. As a photographer, you got the openness as you come in the room, sit around the TV. I can see spending time with my kids watching movies in this room. Looks amazing. So this is the primary master bedroom. You can see what the photo looked like. Absolutely boring, right? So what did it do? Holy, everything looks great. The only thing I didn't like was this seemed a little close to the window, but that is nitpicking. What's up next? Oh, I love the richness of this one. This one looks amazing to me too. It's just perfect. This would be the one I'd probably deliver. Now, I mean, look at the last one. Again, nice brown tones, rich. They even put the curtains on the window. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Let's go to the next room. Here we got a third bedroom. So you can pick in here. There's bedroom, but there's also kids' room. Awesome. So you can visualize for the people with families. Here they switched up the bed, switched the other way. I changed the style, went modern style. I love this. The bed's slightly smaller because you have kids. Everything fits in there. It still makes the room look roomy. And I love this. This looks beautiful. Another great one. Just turning the bed a bit. One looks great too. Nothing wrong. I noticed their toys look weird, but so same room. It's the third bedroom. What else? People don't have kids. They would use it as a home office. Working from home is huge now. So give them the option. That is a rich, dark look to that one. Might only be nice to some people. This is the nice in between. I love the way this is. You got a desk that fits that wall perfectly. Bookshelf looks great. Isn't that amazing how you can go from the same room and have so many different looks? And what did it take? Just changing my style on the left. Love it. From there, we went outside. Now, this was an experiment. I see you can pick outdoor out here, but as you see in my photo over here, I have that railing in front, which AI did not know what to do with. And as you can see, everything looks weird. I can't see anything pretty about it. So this is a lesson as a photographer of what it is thinking on the other end. I should be on that deck. I should be shooting across the deck and putting the furniture on there, just focusing on one actual area. And if you look at this, I could open this, shot across, but the reality is they were building this house. It was a mess over here with construction stuff. They just did this morning with stain, so I couldn't step on it. So leave it empty. I don't need furniture. I was just, hey, what can you do with it? So what else did we do? Here's another look at that dining room table. Again, I just picked dining. There's the empty room. Put the dining table in. It added furniture over here. Something looks odd with one chair over here, but overall, just look at what it can do. This is a window, and I put stuff on there because I thought it was a wall. Wasn't a pretty view at that window, so kept the blinds closed. So again, just look at what it gives you for options. I really love the way this one looks. Again, small table, not too big, fits nicely in that space. And you got color pops in the living or in the kitchen. Looks awesome. So for me, this product, for how little work it takes, you upload a photo, pick the best result, deliver it to your client. Awesome, awesome. Highly recommend it. So we're looking at virtualstagingai.app. I have the link in the show notes below. So that is virtualstagingai.app. That is an amazing product, isn't it? I just showed you different examples, different rooms, different styles. It is super awesome, super easy. Just upload, it does its magic. In a minute, you have a result. Not only one result, 3 variations of that result. And you can create more. It takes another minute. In a few minutes, you have your virtual staging photos done. You just save the ones you like, deliver them to your client. If you're a realtor, same thing. Save the ones you like, put them on your listing. Business a super option for super price, and it does not take a lot of time. I definitely recommend it. I definitely suggest you sign up and use my link below, and I appreciate it because it helps support the channel. And I hope you enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up, and hope your listings and houses sell faster by virtually staging it. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.